Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we will discuss about the flowers. Yes, flowers, the beauty of the nature. We know that flowers are in different varieties, in different colors, and all the colors are very beautiful. And but some colors are very specific, just like blue. Blue can be difficult color to find naturally occurring in flowers. When it comes to giving your garden a spring ready refresh, there is no color as bold and bright as blue. Add excitement to your landscape with cluster of lavender blue and deep indigo blossom. There are so many choices beyond your favorite bold blue hydrangeas to fill up your flower bed, porch containers, hanging baskets. Now we start our video and discuss the beautiful blue flowers. The number one flower is cornflower. Cornflower are annual plants which can make your garden pretty not only with their own beauty but with the fact that they are known to attract butterflies and bees. Here I want to tell you about very interesting fact about this flower. In the past, this flower known as bachelor button flower because bachelors were wearing it to show their feelings for the girls they loved. This annual plant is also the national flower of Poland. Next flower is iris. Iris is a gorgeous flower that comes in different colors and can bring fresh summer spirit in your garden. The flower has its name from the Greek goddess to the rainbow and bloom during the spring and summer season. Different type of iris flowers have different heights and size, which make it perfect for a well-planned all-time blooming garden. And it is appropriate for different types of arrangements, garden shapes, forms and colors. The next one is hydrangea. Hydrangea, the blue hydrangea is one of the most breathtaking garden plants you can have. It comes in many colors, many varieties, and the blue has many shades. The next very beautiful flower is Empire Blue Butterfly Bush. This flower, also known as Buddleia, is very aromatic, and this is one of the main reason why it attracts many butterflies and hummingbirds. The next flower is bellflower. As the name suggests, this plant has bell-shaped blooms and comes in different colors like white and purple. The variety with lavender blue flowers being one of the most magnificent. To its height, bellflower, also known as campanula, is also preferred for cut flower and interior vase arrangements. This flower is very often associated with fairy tales, and this make it an extremely pretty and appropriate addition to your garden. The next flower is Oxford blue. This flower is also classified among the distinctive and unconventional garden beauties. It has clumps of thin leaves with sharp white vein and cone-shaped flower with spike bracts. Next is sweet pea. This pretty blue flower is most popular for its fragrance, which is often used in perfume production. It is a flower which is considered to be relatively difficult to be grown in home garden conditions, but if successfully planted and grown, it is resistant to almost all challenges it might face. The next one is blue mist shrub. As it can be judged by the name of this flower, blue mist shrub is a mist of blue beauty. It blooms in the late summer, which makes it a perfect combination of summer flowers. Due to that fact that this flower is full of nectar, it is known to attract many bees around. It prefers well-drained soil and full of partial sunlight. The next flower is lupin. Lupins are tall flowers which makes them a pretty addition to any flora vase decoration. It prefers well-drained soil and full sun of bloom longer and more. Next flower is love in mist. Love in mist is one of easiest to grow and care due to it being adaptive to different soil type, although preferring rich and fertilized one. It blooms mainly in the spring, so it can become one of the starter of your garden bloom for a new season. Other beautiful flower is lobelia. Lobelia is a stunning blue flower, is relatively easy to grow. It enjoys cooler weather with no direct sunlight and can also be used for hanging basket decoration, completing your paradise garden design. These annual plants bloom during the whole summer and early autumn until the first frost. Langwort. This is a very pretty tiny blue flower that grows in wild forest and is relatively easy to grow and care in home garden conditions. It prefers well drained soil and shadowed position which remind it of its native wood landscape. The next flower is Siberian squirrel. It is no coincidence that the flower is named after Siberia. If it is offered a cool winter to rest, it will enjoy your eye with a sea of blue color blossoms in early spring. Columbine. This flower also comes in many color versions, including blue, pink, red, yellow, and white. It is preferred by gardeners for its delicated blossoms and colored, which contribute to fairy designs of the landscape. Next flower is flax. This flower is gorgeous and beautiful, but it blooms only for a day or two. So if you want to add a colorful blue spot in your garden, make sure you plant many of it to enjoy its beauty for longer. Flax is a good and fiber crop popular in cooler regions, and linen is produced from flax as is linseed oil. The next flower is globe thistle. This blue flower attracts with its distinctive globe-like flowers and for attracting butterflies and bees. So you can cut it when the flower is dry and keep it at home for enjoying its beauty until the next blooming season. Next is blue crown passion flower. This passion flower vine is one of the most breathtaking flower you can have for ornament of decoration in your garden. You can often see it covering fence and walls and heavily blooming all summer and early autumn. It comes in variety of colors, but the blue is said to be one of the most magnificent. This flower is relatively easy to grow as it is resistant to serve winter conditions and regrows every next year. This flower is very beautiful even when it is not blooming due to its pretty green leaves and up to 33 feet size. So friends, I hope you like my video and enjoying my video. Thank you so much. Take care.